So today is December 27th. I had did a video in November 10th saying we would cut back some beans and I'd plant some seeds at the same time and see which worked. Now we're only getting like an hour and a half at the most of sunlight right here, so everything is slowed down. But I have about 8 beans on 2 plants right there. And then all these plants that I have planted at this couple days later after I cut back the beans, they all have blooms and they've already set some beans. So it looks like I will have to do this again in the summertime, but it's really looking like you can plant the seeds quicker than cutting back the plants to actually get beans. These plants here, there's 3 beans on it compared to the plants that I planted new seeds, and I will have a whole bunch more on these in no time. So I will be cutting out my rattlesnake bean plant that's down here. I picked it a month ago and it hadn't set any flowers yet. Now we have had some pretty good storms that has beat these plants up, but they're not I still got a couple beans on here. That looks like a flower right in there. That'd be the first one, so maybe it will do something, but I don't know. I can plant seeds quicker than what they can do it by the looks of it. We'll do some more and find out.